Hello friends, thanks for watching my channel. Today I am discuss about the IELTS speaking towards the IELTS 9. There are the many reasons how can we get the bands 9. Today I am discuss about lot of things on the speaking test. Let's start. What do you have to do? Part 1 Introduction and Interview. Part 2 Long Term. Part 3 Discussion. What do you have to do? Part 1 Small Talk. Small talk in which you have to reply fastly about all the question. You have few seconds for thinking about the question and then reply or answer. It is a very important to continue speaking, and you have also correct the grammar and sentences. In part 1 small talk discuss about the some journal question which are very simple, but your English fluency is matter. Part 2 tell a story about cue card. In this part 2, you have only 1 minute to think about the question and then 2 minutes for speaking the answer. It is a very important because it is a very important for this 6 band. So be prepared your part 2 and you have interesting story about any cue card and you have very fluencies correctly. You have also used this some your personal experience. It is very important. And part 3 discuss the big ideas. It is a depend upon the cue cards follow up question answer, and it is a elaborate is a must in the IELTS speaking. Are you a student or you work? You not say any simple one word or two word answer. You say yes, I am student. Now I am pursuing my further education. Blah blah blah. Where do you live? You don't say I live in Chandigarh, because if you reply your same thing about the answer, your band reduce. You say I dwell in Jalandhar city. It is a very big. There are the different type of the things available in this city. Example, school, institution, hospital, and various more. Another question, what's the most important place in your hometown? You say there are a number of the place valuable for the roaming and enjoyable in my hometown, such as Nikku Park. It is a very famous park. In this park there are lot of the childrens are come there to play the some games, and there are also valuable the foods items so that old age person go there for the some food, and some people like to walk there. Part to tell a story about anything like cue card, an exciting book. You say think about 1 minute to all the points. After 1 minute you start your speaking and you say there are many exciting books, but here I could like to talk about one of the most important book which I read in the my previous day. It was time when I was in 10th class standard, and I was forgot about all the things because I was stuck on the time management. At that time my brother gave me a book. When I was read this book, I was very strange because its book name was Eat That Frog. But when I read all the lesson, then I came to know about how can done all the work in efficient and effective manner. I also warmly thanks to my friend for this book. You say all the things in your cue card. Where, what, when, how. These all points are important.